Hey, just coming out of the Fred Meyer's and getting back in the car. Let's see what we got. I went through that entire rack and all I found was the same old thing. Batmobile. And, oops, got some ice cream. Got this super groovy American Throw for $5 on clearance. And this bag of Hot Wheels, which consists mainly of a few extra Batmobiles and a couple of Cancudas and the new and a couple of these GoPro cars, for which I still have no GoPro, but someday I will have one for that. Actually, I'm filming on a GoPro right now. Now, if you want something really delicious, get you some of these Dove Minis. Oh, these are good. These are so good, you won't believe it. Yep, that's it. Alright everybody, here I was at the Fred Meyer store, looking through the rack. Now it's always disappointing when you see one of these gigantic racks and right away you know that thing has been gone through all completely. Oh, snark bite, like that one. So I was on the other side. I did find a couple things I didn't have on the other side. Oh, wait a minute, Bone Shaker. Do I have that one? I'm not sure. I set that aside, but I didn't buy it. I need to check to see if I have one. Oh, I need one Bone Shaker. There's, you know, so many cars that you just need one of, and then there's a few cars you want to have a, you know, kind of a stockpile of, like Batmobiles, because those will always be good. Everybody always be wanting one. Kids, you know, every little kid that comes along is going to want a Batmobile. So I like to have those. And Halloween's coming up. I do like to give away Hot Wheels for Halloween if I get a chance to buy a local collection around here with a lot of cars that aren't worth anything. Then I'll give those away at the Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's and birthdays and all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, so I was going through this rack. Now, one thing I do like to do, even if the rack is a mess and there's nothing, I'm going to put that rack back together the way it's supposed to be, nice and neat, nice and tidy. But then again, I don't know if that's worthwhile, because the next guy that comes along is going to be like, I hope they realize when they look at the rack, it's all nice and neat and tidy, that somebody's gone through it. Just like I know that when it's a mess, somebody's gone through it. Anyway, you know, let's as collectors, let's keep these stores, you know, neat and nice, because they're not gonna like it. They're not gonna like us if we make a big mess and leave it behind for them to fix up. Oh, there's that pickup truck again. I love the pickup truck. That one's one of my favorites. The trucks are always pretty darn cool. I did a truck video the other day. Well, not really a truck video, but a new video the other day that had a few trucks in it. That was cool. And I think I did do a truck video last month. It's always something to do, you know, so many. So I just kept going through this. I was using my new GoPro Hero 5 Session. Is that what it's called? Hero 5 Black. No, I think it's called Hero 5 Black. Anyway, my wife got me that for my birthday the other day, and I'm just checking out the GoPro. That way I can hold it. I was holding it in this particular case, but now today I've got myself a headband. So when I go to the store, I have to figure out how to do that. Go to the store and then just use the headband to record. I don't know if people will freak out if they see that. I don't know. But we'll find out soon enough. Otherwise, I'll just go back to using my regular cell phone. So here I am, putting all cars back together. Then I tried putting the, oh, wait a minute. You know, I like these plastic cars. I really do. Don't you like those plastic cars? They're pretty cool. Now, you know, those are never going to have any value at all, but they're so cool looking, especially the kind of see-through ones. And did you see the clear plastic ones? Like, I think last year there was like a Chevy Lumina. It was clear plastic. That was freaking sweet. So here I'm still kind of looking. And I had, I think I picked up a camera card. There was also kind of a mess in here. They had the Gran Turismo cards, which are actually $2. And they were also in the rack. So I moved those out of the way and back to where they were supposed to be. I think right here what I was doing is, yeah, I was going to move them from one place to another to try to figure out if there's anything good in there. You know, usually there's like, the good cars, there's going to be like 3 of each one in these box situations. You know, like 3 Batmobiles, 3 camera cars, 3 whatever. And I didn't see a treasure hunt. Now I put the camera down. That's kind of a weird angle, huh? That's a weird angle. Oh, looks like my beard is trimmed nice and neat. I never can tell because I can't see that underneath my head. And anyway, well, you don't need a whole lot of this. So I'm just gonna wrap this up and keep, oh my goodness, this guy's intense. Look how intense he is. Oh my gosh, he is putting those cards in there, moving back and forth. Oh man, look at those arms. Jeez, I gotta get back to the gym. My arms are turning into nothing. There's no muscle there, it's all flab. All right, anyway, so we will hit you on the flip side and check out my next video. I'm going to make more videos. I'm just keep making them. This is what, 318, something like that. So thanks a lot for your support. Give me the thumbs up if you would. Leave a message at the bottom. I can't answer all of them, but if it's interesting enough, I certainly will give it a shot. All right, so you have a great day. Dave Williamson, Toy Car Collector, where I specialize in Redline, Hot Wheels, Matchbox from the 50s and 60s, and Johnny Lightning, and a variety of other things, because I've got a whole bunch of boxes full of a variety of other things, and I will be listing those someday. So stay tuned. Bye now.